Hi, I'm Vicky Madeline from the Cisco BU here at Dicker Data. Today I'm joined by Luke Powell from Cisco.
Hi Vicky, great to be here. At my role at Cisco, I head up the partner org for Australia and New Zealand. What that means is I get to visit and meet and talk to hundreds of partners over the year, and I'm really glad to talk to you today about some of the things we're seeing, especially around MSP.
Thanks for joining us. So Luke, tell us, MSP, what is a multinational hardware vendor like Cisco so interested in this segment?
So Vicky, we've been working together for years and years, so you know that Cisco over 20-30 years has made a lot of networking technology, as you've said. We're still continuing to make that great technology that we're known for, but what we've really realised over the last couple of years is there's a huge advantage for our partners to get all that type of technology talking to each other. And we believe that investing in managed service providers is a real key way to deliver that message to our customers. One of the things that we really feel is though our technology has that end-to-end solution, and we're investing a lot in managed service providers, whether it be around programs or investment, resources. We're really excited about what we're doing in MSP.
Okay, Luke, so you've spoken about how Cisco is changing. Are you able to share with us what is a successful MSP practice and what does it look like?
Yeah, Vicky, so firstly I think what COVID-19 does is it's forced us, Dicker and Cisco, to talk to our partners about some of the things we've been talking to them about for years, but they're actually having to be forced into using some of these solutions today. Things like WebEx and security were things we've been talking to them forever, but they're actually having to put them in practice because what COVID-19 has forced us to do. I think we're moving drastically from a product world to a solution world, and Dicker Data has been really key in helping us do that. And like I said before, with our products, we really need MSPs to be the glue to deliver those solutions. As people work from home and all these things that COVID-19 brings, Cisco believes in what we are calling the resilient distributed enterprise, which means delivering the same solution and outcome and experience wherever you go. So what that means is that if you're working from home, you're on the road or you're in the office, we want our customers and our partners to have the same experience. We believe that when the new normal happens, getting back into the office might only be a 2-day-a-week thing. And so therefore, resilient distributed enterprise is really important, and we can't do that without Dicker Data and MSPs who are delivering the solutions with our technology.
So Luke, there are many partners that are already selling Cisco today. However, how is Cisco supporting partners that are maybe just starting their MSP journey or even have an established MSP practice but are looking to scale it?
Yeah, Vicky, we're really serious about investing in our MSPs, and not only do we feel like we have a great story around some of the solutions and technology, we're also investing in programs, and we're working really hard with Dicker Data, as you know, to come up with some of the programs. These include our CMSP program, which really rewards partners who invest and is specifically tailored around MSPs, so we're able to have the conversation and reward MSPs in the right way. We also have what's called our MSLA, which allows our technology to be consumed like any other MSP would purchase technology. I'd really recommend that if you're interested, for our partners, our MSPs, to speak to our dedicated Cisco BDM at the Dicker Data team.
So Luke, you talk to a lot of MSP partners. What are the successful partners deploying from a technology point of view?
Yeah, it's a really good question, Vicky. We are seeing all different types of solutions being used for MSPs. I'd have to say there are probably 3 that come top of mind. The first one is WebEx. Obviously, we're really speaking to MSPs who are then speaking to their customers about how they collaborate in this COVID-19 world. Customers have a need to be able to talk to their staff members, their workers, their management, and you can really do that over the WebEx platform, and you can collaborate and share documents, and we're really having a lot of success with our MSPs around WebEx. The second one is cybersecurity. Obviously, with our security products, the world has changed. Not only now do you have to work from the office, you have to bring all that intel, that IP, to your home environment, and we're seeing a lot of people having to share family PCs and really deal with some of the new security threats that you wouldn't have seen prior to COVID. And so MSPs are really delivering a lot of that technology to our customers, and it's going really well. The third one is Meraki. Meraki is our enterprise networking solution. It's cloud-based, managed. We're really seeing MSPs adopt that because the ability to be able to manage that anywhere you go. What we really took for granted before COVID was probably the bandwidth and bandwidth management. And if you're working from home, the office, on the road, bandwidth and network management has never been so important, and Meraki really allows you to do this for our MSPs.
So Luke, thanks for sharing your insights today. Are there any parting words for the MSP community?
It's been really good to talk with you today, Vicky. I think the only message we have is to really reinforce that Cisco is quite serious about MSPs. We really believe we have a great story, a great solution portfolio, and the programs like I've talked about today around CMSP and also MSLA to really deliver what we say we're going to deliver. And I really heavily encourage, if you're just slightly thinking about looking at Cisco from an MSP perspective, Dicker Data and Cisco have done a lot of hard work to set these programs up. Please speak to us, reach out to your Dicker Data Cisco dedicated BDM, and we'd be more than happy to help you.
Thanks, Luke.
Thanks, Vicky.